As a dentist, has a patient ever lied to you? When the 6-year-old climbed into my chair, her eyes wouldn't meet mine. Her mother, designer handbag, perfect nails, scrolled through her phone. We brushed twice daily. No idea why her teeth hurt. One look told me that was impossible. Severe decay everywhere. Some teeth were blackened stumps. She needs immediate treatment, several extractions. The mother scoffed. They're baby teeth. Just clean them. When she stepped out for a call, I asked the little girl about her teeth. It hurts to eat. Mommy says I'm being dramatic. Do you brush your teeth? Mommy doesn't buy toothpaste. She says it's too expensive. Yet her diamond ring could have paid for years of dental care. I recorded everything, including her wincing with cold water, a sign of exposed nerves. When the mother returned, I explained the severity. She rolled her eyes. Fine, pull them. That's when the grandmother who'd been sitting quietly stood up. I've heard enough. I'm calling my son, her father, right now. 3 months later, they returned. The father had emergency custody. Show Dr. Sarah your teeth. She smiled, her first real smile, revealing healing gums and new work. Daddy got me my own toothbrush holder. It's purple. 1 year later, she bounded in for her checkup. Perfect, I announced. She high-fived her dad. I told you, I'm the tooth champion.